74% of HR teams are not confident in the impact of their new hire kits. Not because of budget or swag, but because running welcome kit programs is actually pretty complicated. Let's break down why. Welcome kits are so much more than a branded t-shirt and mug. They're part of culture building and retention, especially for remote workforces. But most HR teams are dealing with spreadsheets, inventory issues, and multiple vendors, so kitting becomes a logistical project instead of an onboarding experience, the way it's supposed to be. We talked to HR professionals across industries, and our research revealed the following 4 biggest challenges: deciding what items to include in kits, managing multiple vendors, shipping kits to remote employees, and keeping kits consistent. So the problem isn't the kits, it's that most companies are treating them like manual projects instead of scalable programs. We asked a Swag Pro merch manager what to keep in mind for new hire kitting, and here's her advice.
What I always say is start with a goal. Maybe that goal is what message do they want to convey to the team, their new team member. My go-tos are a good quality laptop sleeve, noise canceling headphones so they can lock in at work. Maybe they're going to a coffee shop or working out of a co-working space, as well as a postcard and stickers. You want them to get a note just kind of explaining the sentiment of your excitement for them joining. And then stickers, you can't go wrong. You can put it on anything. Custom packaging is a really thoughtful way to add some pizzazz to that new hire kit.
So I have this sample kit that just arrived in the mail. It's got the custom packaging that we talked about, which is just so bright and engaging. I know if I was a new hire and I saw this come in the mail, it would just instantly build momentum for me and make me really excited to start at the company. So let's see what's inside. Oh, how fun! Yeah, it's got like the little confetti inside. Looks like a party in a box. This is so cool. I love it. I wonder what the first item is going to be. Oh, look at that. It is a company branded candle. It's got this like really great citrusy pine scent. So I feel like that's a really nice personal touch that new employees would love, and it's something they can use on their own time. It isn't for work, but it really is just that nice treat yourself type of gift. So let's see what our next item is. And it is branded pens. Oh, I love that. And these are really high quality. Always a practical gift, very work appropriate. Let's see what we've got next. Oh, a t-shirt. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is in my size, so it looks great. I feel like it'll definitely fit me. So if you do have a platform like Swag Pro that allows you to collect sizing from your new hires beforehand, you'll always know that they can fit into your t-shirts and sweatshirts or whatever you choose to send them. And you know that they will actually use that item and be more excited to receive it. So you don't want to send the wrong sizing. The wrong sizing sends the wrong message for sure, but I love this. And we've got a little notebook, always handy, of course. Everybody loves notebooks. I feel like we live in such a digital world, so just having a manual notebook to jot down notes when you're on conference calls, that's also very high quality and won't fall apart. This is something I know I'm going to use day to day, and most of your new hires would too. What else do we have in here? So, oh, very nice tote bag. So I love that. So I can put all of my new branded items in here and tote them around, especially if you're a remote employee like I am. Sometimes you want to work at a coffee shop or at the library, so you need something to handle all of your goodies and your laptop too. And we've got a sticker, just like Amy mentioned, so it's a really great way to show some brand pride. I know I can put that right on my computer at my desk, so it reminds me of where I work, who I work for, and why I'm doing what I do. So it's a very nice touch. Oh, and this is so fantastic. I have a personalized note in here as well from Swag Pro. So this is really cool. It's got the branding on the front and it's got my name on the back. Okay, so it looks like we've got one more item in here, and this I think was a good example of maybe a mid-tier to a lower budget tier welcome kit. So we didn't see the headphones, we didn't see the backpack, some of those higher ticket items, but that's totally fine. I mean, I'm very happy with this haul, and if I were a new hire, I would be thrilled to receive all of it. So it really is just the personalization, the small touches, the custom packaging that helps you to create that memorable experience for your new employees. It's not so much the cost of the items. So So we can definitely work and make recommendations for any budget that you have. But for the last item, looks like it's one of the bigger ticket ones. It's a solar power bank, and this is great. I actually don't have a solar power bank yet. All of mine are just regular plugins, but let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. And wow, that's branded too. That is so cool. It's got its own little custom bag with it. It's the right size. And I love it. The colors are great. It really is on brand. It's on point. And I know it's something that I can use pretty much daily, especially when I'm on the go working out of that coffee shop or that library, and I'll never have to run out of power again. HR teams that run great onboarding programs all do the same thing. They standardize welcome kitting. New hires pick sizes themselves. Kits ship directly to new hires before day one. Inventory is stored and managed, and the process is repeatable. So the biggest takeaway is this: welcome kits define your employee onboarding experience, and the companies that treat it like a program instead of a project get better results. If you run onboarding or HR programs and you're sending welcome kits, you should be thinking about this as a scalable program. Get in touch with us. We'll show you how.